South Beach Games are inching ever closer, but we are not there yet. You have received this Centrotherm pack because you are one of many who have registered your interest in competing amongst the HVAC elite. Please take these items and create astonishing and amazing content. Wear the bandana, slap the sticker. The more creative, the better. And be sure to tag Centrotherm on IG so we can bear witness to the spectacle. Consider these gifts as a starter pack towards the South Beach competition. But don't limit yourself. We want to see any and all Centrotherm content. From installation photos, to swag, to synchronized ice skating dance routines, if you are willing and able. Remember, creativity wins points with me. And after all, the frontman is the lone decider. The time to impress me begins now.